Welcome to the Smarter Build. In this video I will explain how to design pocket holes on your 3D model in Fusion 360. Thanks to handy jigs from Kreg and other companies, pocket holes are easy to make in the workshop, but unfortunately there is no pocket hole jig for your 3D model in Fusion 360. Today I'm going to demonstrate a simple workaround to get perfect pocket holes designed into your plans in Fusion 360. Here we have two pieces of wood that we want to join together with pocket holes. Our holes will be on this piece on the left and we'll screw them to the piece of wood on the right. The first thing we will do is sketch a line on the horizontal plane. This line will represent the path of our pocket holes. Standard pocket holes are drilled at a 15-degree angle, so we want a line to run 15 degrees from the front face of the piece of wood. So I'll click here on the edge and start a line in this direction. Let's make it 2 inches long and set the angle to 15. Alright, so we can click Finish Sketch and go back to the home view. We now have the path for the pocket holes, but we still need to make the actual holes. To do this, we click our path that we just sketched, and then come up here to Create, and click on the Pipe tool. The Pipe tool creates a pipe or cylinder along the path. For our purposes we will set this measurement at 1/2 inch, representing the diameter of the hole. Make sure this setting shows new body and click OK. So now we have a cylinder that is 2 inches long, and traveling at a 15-degree angle. Obviously it is too high on the workpiece, so we will have to move it into position. Up here on the Modify tab, click on the crossing arrows. This is the Move and Copy tool. Then select the cylinder, and move it down about 1 inch. Perfect. Click the Move and Copy tool again. Select the cylinder. This time, make sure to check Create Copy. Then click on the arrow and pull it down 1 inch. Now we have 2 cylinders angled at 15 degrees in the exact location of our pocket holes. We will use the extrusion tool to cut out the cylinders from the workpiece. Up on the Create tab, click on the extrusion tool. Select the visible round face of the first cylinder. Then click the arrow and drag it back 2 inches. Make sure this setting is set to cut, and click OK. You can see that the cylinder has been removed from the wood. Repeat the same process on the second cylinder. Make sure it is set to cut, and click OK. Now you have 2 perfect pocket holes designed into your model. This process is easily repeatable, and hopefully will help improve the quality of your modeling and your builds. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching the Smarter Build, and always remember, build smarter. With